Welcome to Maths Clinic with Mr. Sampson. I'm your maths coach. Today we are looking at Bodmas. Bodmas. What does Bodmas is an acronym that stands for bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. What that means is that anytime you are solving a mathematical problem and you have bracket, you have division, you have orders, like this order means square root, raised to power, index forms, you understand? You have division, you have multiplication. There is an order you will follow. You will first start with bracket, then you go to order, then you do division, then multiplication, then addition, before you conclude with subtraction. Anytime you change the order, maybe you start with subtraction before multiplication, or you start with addition before bracket, or you start with subtraction before division, you're going to get the wrong answer. So we are going to use the knowledge of this Bodmas to try to analyze this example that we have underneath. So we have an example to simplify a 2 times 3 minus 2 divided by 2 and then plus 3. So let's do this. Let's do a. We have 2 times 3 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 3. Now the normal thing with many people when they see this kind of example is to just say 2 times 3, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. Then 2 plus 3, 5. If you do that, you are wrong, because that's not how to do it. You have to follow the law of Bodmas. And Bodmas says you start with bracket. Now, if we check this question, you discover that we don't have bracket. That means we can safely leave bracket. We are done with it. We now go to order. We don't have order. We don't have anything square. We don't have square root. We leave that. Then the next thing is division. And if you check this, we have division there. And since we have division here, we're going to start with division. So we'll repeat everything the way it is. So look at this. Follow. We have 2, then we have times 3, then we have minus, then you now see that we have 2 divided by 2. So you have to start with division, because that's the first thing now. We don't have bracket, we don't have order, so we now start with division. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. So you now have minus 1. Where is this 1 coming from? This minus is this minus, but this 2 divided by 2 is what? Is 1. So you have minus 1 there. Then the next thing left is plus 3. So you are done with division. The next thing in Bodmas is multiplication. So you go to where there's multiplication. And if you check here, we have 2 times 3. That's multiplication. 2 times 3 is what? Is 6. So you now write 6. Your minus 1 comes down. And then your plus 3. Then the next thing is what? Is addition. Addition. Where is addition? This addition. So 6 comes down the way it is. Then minus 1 plus 3. Then you have to use the knowledge of our former class where we did number line. You know, from number line, minus 1 plus 3. You will check for where minus 1 is on the number line, and then you add 3. That's counting up to 3. We are going to get a positive 2. So minus 1 plus 3, you can make reference to the class on number line. Then you find out how we got minus 1 plus 3 to become 2. So minus 1 plus 3 is what? Is 2. So then you now have 6 plus 2 will give you 8. So our final answer is 8. Thank you. The B part, and let me see it in the comment section. Let me give you a hint for B part. That means you have to start with the bracket. You have division, but you don't start with division. You have to finish analyzing what is in the bracket. When you are done with it, then you now go to, we don't have order. So you go to division and then the other ones. Let me see your answer in the comment section.